Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I changed the lives of my old shoe. I'm going to show you how I made this shoe shiny again. It wasn't actually like this, but I tried detergent on one and then toothpaste on one. So watch this video to the end to know which is which or which is for which, and let me know which you think is better. I feel toothpaste is expensive. See, I don't know, but I still think toothpaste is the best. But let us see, let us try these experiments together. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. So today we'll be comparing toothpaste and soap for cleaning our shoe. So as you can see, this shoe is super dirty. It's not white. So we'll be trying out toothpaste and soap. We're trying out toothpaste on one and soap on one. So we are going to start with toothpaste. So I'm just going to do this. And now I'm going to add the brush to water. I'm going to add the brush to water. And then I'm going to scrub. So I'm just going to leave it to sit for like 5 minutes. After that, I'll clean off the paste, and then we are going to see the results or the outcome. I know, Jabu. So now I'm just going to wash this brush. Then we'll try the one for the soap. This aside. So yeah, this is for the soap. Okay, so you can see so I'm just going to scrub with the soap. So it's 5 minutes already, and this is the one we used toothpaste on. This is the one we used detergent on. So now I'm just going to clean. I'm just going to clean the paste and the detergent off, and let us see. Wow, this is looking brand new. Wow, this is actually looking. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is super neat. Guys, this is 10 over 10. This is 10 over 10. Now I'm just going to clean this one off. Guys, you can see this is super clean, although I'm going to be cleaning it again because of all this paste here, but this is super clean, like clean. All this partially clean, but what, look at the back too, like seriously. This is super clean. So I'm going to clean this again, and that will be the final video, so stay to the end. So guys, I'm done, and this is the final result. So this is the one with the soap, the detergent. This one right here is the one with the detergent, and this is the one with the toothpaste. I don't know, I can't really see any difference like that, though the difference is there, but it's not that much. So I don't know, what do you think? 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 Oh, okay, so I think the difference is much. What do you think? This is the back, sides. So this is the one with the toothpaste, and this is the one with the detergent. What do you think? I think I'll give this 10 over 10. 10 over 10. Toothpaste, 10 over 10. Then detergent, 8. 8.5 over 10. Because, yeah, still tried. I don't know. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Have an amazing day. Bye.